Hello friends and welcome to the spoken tutorial on how to generate biogas. In this tutorial, we will learn when to add raw material to the biogas plant, quantity of raw material to be added to the biogas plant, use of slurry that is generated from the biogas plant, and biogas burner and its connection process. You will also see testimonial of biogas users. Recollect an earlier tutorial that mentioned the raw materials to be added to the biogas plant, which were household food waste and cow dung. Cow dung forms a favorable anaerobic environment for generation of biogas. So when should the raw materials be added in the biogas plant? Once the civil work is over, the plant is left for curing for 17 days. On the 18th day, first load of raw materials can be fed into the plant. As shown in this image, raw material should be fed into the mixing tank through the inlet pipe. At this point, the important question is, how much raw material should be added to the biogas plant? The answer is, for the first time production of biogas, add approximately 600 kg of cow dung and leave it for fermentation for 4 days. After 4 days, add at least 25 kilograms of raw material daily to the plant. Along with this, add equal proportion of water, which means a ratio of 1:1 has to be maintained. For example, for 25 kg of raw material, 25 liters of water should be added. Next, we will learn how to add the raw material into the inlet tank. To add the raw material into the inlet tank, first, mix the raw material and water properly in the ratio of 1:1. And then put this mixture into the feeding tank, which is connected to the digester. Once the digester is completely filled with the mixture, leave the plant for fermentation. Note that the time required for fermentation depends upon the climatic conditions of the respective region where the biogas plant is set up. For example, fermentation in warmer regions will be quicker as compared to the cooler regions. So, in warmer regions, leave the raw material in the digester tank for 4 to 5 days. Once the fermentation is completed, two things happen simultaneously. Gas, being lighter, starts accumulating in the upper part of the dome, and pressure generated by the gas pushes the slurry outside. The different ways to use this slurry are as follows. It can be directly sent into the farms through drains. It can be manually poured into the nearby fields. and it can also be dried in drying pits to be used as dry manure. Next, we will talk about choosing the right burner for using the biogas. The gas that is generated in the plant is conveyed through the main gas pipe. This main gas pipe should further be connected to an appropriate burner. So which burner should be used? The two types of burners available are biogas burner and LPG burner. Please note, an LPG burner should not be used for biogas. The reason is LPG burners are specifically used for high compression LPG only. Hence, LPG burners are not advisable for biogas usage. For using biogas, it is best to buy a burner made of cast iron due to its durability. It is to be noted that, like LPG stoves, biogas stoves are also available in single and double burner models. Single burner stove is of 8 cubic feet size and double burner stove is of 16 cubic feet size. So, where to procure biogas burners from? To buy the biogas burner, one needs to contact the concerned State Office of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, also known as KVIC. You can get the further contact details in the downloadable section. To confirm the generation of biogas, do the following. Light the burner and check the flame for the biogas. The gas generated will be sufficient for the cooking needs of a family of 4 to 5 members. Some do's and don'ts for running a biogas plant are: on a daily basis, check flow of the waste from the mixing tank into the digester tank. Check that the slurry is flowing out of the slurry tank. Do not keep the mixing tank and slurry tank uncovered. Some safety measures to be followed when using the biogas burner are: after every 4 to 5 days, drain out condensed water, if any. In case gas is not going to be used for a long time, switch off the safety valve. This will ensure that the gas makes its way out from the outlet tank along with the slurry. Now you will see testimonials of some happy users. They will mention about how convenient it is to use biogas for cooking, which saves time, money, and helps in improving health and hygiene. Hello, my name is Suresh Sahadev Manjrekar, and this is my wife Supriya Suresh Manjrekar. We are a family of 5 people and we have 2 cows. Every day I put 25 kgs of cow dung mixed in equal quantity of water into this mixing tank of the biogas plant. I have also connected the toilet to the biogas plant. You can see the toilet just behind me. Using biogas is very easy. It saves time and money. Earlier I used to walk 25 minutes to collect firewood. Now I don't go anywhere to collect firewood. Also, the slurry that comes out of the plant is collected in a pit which is 2.5 feet deep. The slurry is then directed in a drain towards the fields. I am very happy using biogas. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned when to add raw material to the biogas plant, quantity of raw material to be added to the biogas plant, different ways to use the slurry, different types of biogas stoves. We also saw testimonial from biogas users. This video was created by the Spoken Tutorial team with inputs from Rural ICT team, IIT Bombay. More information on these projects can be found at these links. This is Bella Tony along with the animation team of Spoken Tutorial project signing off. Thank you for joining.